I have 4 seconds now.
No, at that time you were just putting toilet paper in the toilet. I didn't realize it.
Yeah,
You're experimenting.
yeah, do you know there was a toilet at the group home? It wouldn't stop flushing, but I didn't put anything in it, so I told this Rizwan. Rizwan came from Africa. He's half African, he's half Indian.
Well, if a toilet does that, you have to take the lid off very carefully.
So they don't drop it and break it.
Yes.
Maybe
And then you see what's happening, and then you can just put something, push something, one of the
Levers.
it's not working right. You
if it's becoming a problem, then you call the plumber.
just write it down.
Supervisors, school board members, and more. Karen Shuey has that story. In the money section, Oli Ravioli, a fresh pasta maker, recently opened a stand at Rediger's in Kutztown. In the life section, Terry Straka of Exeter Township is looking for somebody.
I was very angry at you when I realized what you were doing.
Was that at Boonville?
No, that was here.
How long ago was that?
To learn to drive.
I don't know.
Years ago.
No, not years.
Decide to wait a while to get
Look at the big woman over there.
Well, that's who you like them.
the PIAA playoffs.
She's heavier than me.
Yeah, I saw her.
You can read these
She looked young.
more in your source for local news.
You always get this light for some reason.
WEEU Sports.
What, he's gonna turn on red?
Dismantling the
No,
Broncos
you can turn or make a right turn in Pennsylvania on red if no traffic's coming.
Some areas of Pottstown, we see some signs that say no turn on red.
Yeah, you have to have a sign up that says that. But if you don't have a sign up, you can turn on red.
Yeah. I have 2 minutes and 42 seconds. 2 minutes. So you're looking forward to Thanksgiving in Florida?
Heck yeah.
I bought checkers with Pop and Nan. Wood ones.
Boy.
Are you going to be there?
I am. Sue's coming. Do you know, for Aunt Sue's Christmas lunch, I might be dressing up in a tuxedo. I'm just trying to look nice for Christmas lunch. You can buy tuxedos at Goodwill for $5.
Green Bay is 4-3. Detroit 3-4. The District 3 football playoff matchup is set.
Now I have 3 minutes and 47 seconds.
Wilson meets Red Lion in West Lawn Friday. You can hear it on WEEU. Our pregame coverage begins at 6:40. The Bulldogs have won 7 district titles, including 3 in the last 5 seasons. In 5A, number 4 seed Governor Mifflin hosts York High. The 9-1 Mustangs are the Section 1 champs in the Berks Football League. Number 8 seed Exeter traveling from Harrisburg on Saturday at 1 o'clock. In Class 4A, Berks Catholic earned the top seed.
Come on.
Well, they're lined up ahead.
Well, no.
Hey Grams, do you know that one time
Yeah.
at a hockey game when he threw a stick in the crowd?
Yes.
That was done on purpose.
Yes. But sure.
he could get charged for assault.
Hottest shows direct from Times Square.
Go to jail.
Sirius
or
XM.
have a $500 fine.
That guy that pushed a linesman to the ground, he was charged with $500,000.
Wow.
Something like that happened at the baseball game, like when the baseball player threw the bat at us. Let's see, I have 5 minutes, 40 seconds.
Bob didn't change. Demsko.
Where's Demsko?
Bob Demsko at the
Bender machines?
no. He didn't change one bit since we seen him.
What do you mean by that?
But
In appearance.
in appearance, the weight, height, or anything.
He was glad to see me.
Yeah.
Now it's 6 minutes, 39 seconds. And I got my hair cut.
What do you say the whole family's going?
Well, Johnny's whole family is gone.
And his sisters?
No. Johnny's whole family is gone. I didn't say Leanne's whole family is gone.
We're here now or something.